Hey everybody, welcome to the show. I am the Fire Escape Griller, and today I'm gonna fire up the Weber Q Griddle and make some fast food style burgers. These things are gonna be good. Today's recipe starts with some onion that I've chopped up, a slice of bacon that I've cut in half, and a little slab of butter. I'm going to bring this out and put it on the griddle. Out here, I've preheated the Weber Q Griddle with the low heat. You don't want to use a high heat here with butter because it'll burn the butter. So low heat, and add your butter. Then we're going to add our bacon. And then onion. And I'm using butter because I know the butter is going to put a nice flavor on these onions. That's why I didn't use oil. Close the lid and let this grill for a minute or two. In the meantime, I'm going to make the burgers. And I'm only using a little bit of meat because I want thin patties. And I'm using a burger press. I'll put a link up above to the Cuisinart burger press review I did. Like I said, thin patty because we're going to double them up. And I should mention that this is 80% lean, 20% fat ground beef. Nice and thin, just like at a fast food joint. To season the patties, I'm just going to use a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of sea salt or kosher salt, and some fresh ground black pepper. Of course, you have to season both sides. And I'm using 2 patties here because that gives you 4 sides that have that nice fried griddle flavor. Alright, let's check on our onions and our bacon. They're coming along nicely. This has only been about 2 minutes now. Time to flip the bacon, close the lid, and keep on grilling. A few minutes later, this is probably 5 minutes total, 6 minutes. The onions look ready to come in. And the bacon looks ready to come in as well. I'm going to pull these inside. And I'm going to crank up the gas because I want to cook these burgers on an extra hot griddle. And now it's time for the patties. You can hear that nice sizzle. We're going to close the lid and let these go for about 90 seconds per side. And you can see how nicely the sides are seared. That's the salt and the pepper and the oil. All those flavors are combining under the high heat. Now I'm going to add a couple of slices of cheddar cheese that I've cut the corners off to make them more of a round shape. And I've got a sesame seed bun here that I'm going to toast on the non-griddle side. Now 90 seconds later, the bun is ready to come off, and so are these burgers. These do not take long at all. So let's get these inside and assemble this burger because I am ready to eat. Now to build this burger, we start with the bottom bun and we add a patty with cheese on it. A couple of slices of bacon. Our second patty with cheese. And now for the grilled onions. I really love grilled onions, especially with that butter flavor. Oh man. Some pickles. These are called bread and butter pickles. A little bit of mustard. And you can never have a burger without ketchup. I don't think. And then our top bun, sesame seeds. And how pretty is that? Oh, I just have to take a bite right now. Here we go. Look at the juice come out of there. I'll tell you what, that is one fantastic burger. I think I need some napkins. A fast food style bacon double cheeseburger, grilled on my new Weber Q Griddle. Wash it down with a beer. That doesn't get better than that. So that's how I make a fast food style burger on the Weber Q Griddle. This thing was delicious. I ate it in about 30 seconds. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Leave a like, subscribe, and of course, keep on grilling.